Ladies and gentlemen, to his gallery of character portraits, Jackie Gleason this evening adds another, Rudy the Repairman. Now, Rudy is supremely confident, completely uninhibited, and very muscular mentally. As we meet him for the first time, Rudy's been called to repair a dripping faucet. And as the scene opens, we meet the lady of the house who is awaiting the arrival of Rudy the Repairman.
Harry, dinner's ready.
Coming, Martha. Well, this looks good enough to eat.
Harry.
That's A1 sauce, dear.
All right, there you are.
You?
Oh.
Martha, didn't I tell you to fix that faucet? Didn't I tell you to have it fixed? You know that dripping drives me crazy.
But I called the repairman this morning, sweetheart, but he never came.
Oh, all right. After dinner, I'll look at it myself.
All right.
I'll get it, dear. I'll get it this way you are. Come in. I'm the repairman. Well, we're having trouble with our sink. Out of the way, Buster. Trouble with the sink, huh? Who put the rag on the faucet?
Well, my husband couldn't stand the noise, so he put a rag on it.
Your husband did that, huh?
Yes, he did.
What do you do for a living, Buster? I'm a dress salesman. A dress sale? You're not satisfied putting rags around dames. You gotta put them around faucets, huh? Well, the first thing's gotta be done. The rags gotta come off the faucet. Hey, Whitey!
I can see it, boy.
What?
I can see it, boy.
Come in here! They got a leaky faucet.
Just a slide straight off my step. And I pushed it. Pushed it, click, pushed it, step. Start.
All right, let's do that. All right. Here we go into the sink. Up. All right. My wife says it's the washer. Your wife says it's the washer? Yes. What do you do for a living?
I'm a housewife.
You're a housewife.
Yes?
You're a dress salesman, and you're a housewife. You put a rag on a faucet, and you tell me it needs a washer. I'm a plumber. Do you want my opinion?
Well, yes.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
What do you think it is, Whitey?
Cross the slam, I see the first of Boston's here. I see Boston from here. Across the table, then I can see Marshall Ford. Then I see him, stress, bang, catch, stress, hot.
And you thought it was a washer. All right, let's get to work. Now, I don't know what we're doing here anyway. Look, Whitey, I want you to go down in the furnace. Now, you're going to see a triple splice pipe. It runs past the furnace. And it makes a sharp left turn and goes along the asphalt, and it runs into some of that paper board. Now, we got a McCormick joint there which turns left. Now, you'll see a Lunkenheimer valve. After you get to the Lunkenheimer valve, you go straight down. Now, I want you to turn on the pressure. Don't turn it on too much. Just turn it on a little bit so we can have it. Hey, Whitey! Whitey! What's the matter with you?
Cuss of the ass, understand. apply some fire seal. That's never possible to destroy. I can see the fire to tell out God. I can shut up. I can play the just like I can see the fire. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say that.
Well, don't let a old man catch you. Now, look. I want you to go down to the cellar. And before you go, wait a minute. Take this with you. There might be some big cats down there. All right, let's get on with it. Why don't you sit down and finish your eats before they get cold? Just sit right down. Boy, you're fat. You gotta follow the pipeline. I guess the pipeline goes right through here and right across. Then it comes right here. You don't mind if I move this sidewalk, do you, mister? I can't work here. There's not enough light. Wait a minute. I'll get these down. Get off. I'm right in the car. That must be Whitey. Pardon me, lady. Get up. What is it, White? Hey, where's the window faces out in the court?
Right here. It's the courtyard.
Pardon me. Will you get this junk off of here? I'm coming, Whitey. Will you wait a minute? Oh. Hey, Whitey, what do you want? What side? Wait a minute. What's this out of night for? I don't know. Hey, Whitey! Butterfingers. All right. Now, look. I gotta find a pipe. Will you move out of the way? I don't know when you started work, but I started this morning, early.
Yes, well, you just do your...
I just gotta find a place. Shut up.
Don't give me that.
The pipe goes along here and up to... I gotta get at that. Well, that's what you get for putting rags around a faucet. And over there. Pipe ain't there. All right. I need your assistance for a minute.
What can I do?
Will you get rid of that garbage, lady? There. Take this wire and push it down in the sink and keep going like this. Hey, lady, get in the sink. Get in the sink, will you? I've been here since early morning. Just get in the sink. Get right in.
What did I do when I get in?
Don't get it. Hey, Whitey! Try it now! Let it go, Whitey!